Okay, so we're on our way to IKEA. The kids are home from school, so we decided to go down there to kill some time. Everyone's homework is done, I think. And we're gonna go kill some time. Plus I'm looking for something. A couple of things for my bedroom and my bathroom. Hopefully they'll have it. I don't know. We'll see. And then the kids are gonna they're gonna eat down there at IKEA tonight because I just don't feel like cooking anything. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And hopefully when they get back home, they'll be ready for bed. I'll put some gas in this car. Gas is like $2.15 now down here in Georgia. I know it's probably higher other places, but
it went up again?
Yeah, 215.9 without any Kroger points.
It was going down yesterday.
Yeah. So anyway, so we'll see you soon. Say hi. So we're at IKEA. We're eating. What did you eat today?
Mine is with meatballs.
And mashed potatoes?
And about me.
What'd you eat today?
Cake.
So we're at IKEA eating. Paid $39.95, which is not bad for 6 people, but we could have went to the Golden Corral. Almost the same price, but it's okay.
Dad.
Never fails. People always want this cake.
The people.
Ask Dad for one of his.
Oh, Dad,
So, when they eat, I'm gonna walk around, look for a couple of things, and then we'll go home. You're a meatball?
No, Dad.
Dad? So you should have got the 5 extra meatballs for him. Say hi.
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 Hi. I did. I just put it inside my mouth.
It was so funny. You don't know what's funny?
Yeah.
Your milk good?
Mom, look.
Okay.
Hi, my name's David, chocolate butter, and this is my favorite butter, Austin chocolate milk.
So Austin, you have chocolate milk, chocolate cake,
Chocolate milk.
and you have chocolate cake?
No, chocolate milk. Yeah,
We're in trouble tonight.
It did.
Oh, wow, you know, you have to get the
Cigarette because of twice.
get some wipes.
Aiden, was it good?
Yeah.
My teenager, he don't care about nobody but his iPhone.
You did. I just eat. She just loves his iPhone more than anything else.
You do, Jacob? You love your iPhone more than anybody? Really, Eugene?
I got it.
You're not gonna talk to me?
It's a mystery.
I want to
You
wet.
gotta find out yourselves.
I want to wet.
Aiden, say bye.
Bye.
Say see you next time. Austin, say bye. So we're leaving IKEA with nothing again. So, as always, thank you for watching our vlog. We'll see you in our next vlog. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.